Hello everyone, I'm Jaideep Singh Chahal. So finally we've got the coolest standard prepped. A lot of add-ons on this vehicle, but we'll keep it very quick and I'll brief you through the main addition that we've gone in for this vehicle. What you can see next to me is the TDR Pro series from ToughDog. This, in today's date, I feel is the fanciest hardware that you can put on a Hilux. This is the top of the line suspension launched last year. This is like a 6-8-month-old product. Front is, as you can see, is a pre-assembled coilover strut. Comes with a reservoir. So if you can bring the camera close, I'll quickly show you all the components that come in the kit. This is the reservoir or the remote reservoir with an adjustment for compression here. Rebound sits on the damper. Everything is billet machined. So this is all billet aluminum down there, up there, the top mount, all of it. Preload adjustment is also there. So this is basically the competitor for what we can say the BP-51, or I don't really see any other competition out there. So BP-51 lookalike of the Pro Fender, Kings, Queens and all, but not in that league, please. So this is currently coming with an upper control arm. There's a greasable upper control arm that comes in the kit as well. And the full coilover strut comes assembled with the mount, front sway bar relocation bracket. If you can bring the camera here, I'll quickly show you. So this mounting serves as a stand for our reservoir and also as a relocation bracket for the front sway bar. So this relaxes the sway bar and gives you clearance between the damper and the sway bar. So in this, we can have a wide range of lift, but it is a clean 2-inch lift in the front. Adjusting the preload can give it capacity to actually take up a winch in the front, a bull bar in the front. Currently, we've set it for zero load because the vehicle doesn't have a winch or a bull bar in the front. So it is set up for a zero load right now. Similar setup in the back. I'll show you what all we have in the back as well. So in the back, the TDR Pro comes with a shock mounted reservoir. So this is the reservoir up there. The shock body is right next to it. So there's no clamp or mount or coupling which holds the reservoir to this. So the pipe extension for the reservoir is only in the front. The rear comes very neatly tucked in. So that's another added headache which is taken care of. So in the back, we've got a 5-leaf stack. So this is the rear leaf spring stack. We've currently gone in for the comfort set. So this comes with its own set of greasable shackle pins, greasable pin in the front. The entire hardware gets changed. Another addition is this extended bump stop. So now since the suspension is able to flex more and is able to give you more articulation, the bump stop is like a positive stop which goes and touches up there. So this has been extended to actually protect your suspension. The settings, I will quickly show you the adjustments for, if you can bring the camera here, the adjustments for the compression again sit right on top of the canister, and the adjustment for the rebound sits down here. This is the other side shock. So this little Allen key is going to help you adjust the rebound. Currently we're running at rebound +1. In the back, anti-clockwise is 0, so we are at +1 right now. Since the vehicle doesn't have any additional weight and it's been behaving very, very nicely, even at a 0-0 setting, so we've only gone in for a very marginal increase in the rebound. So that's about it. It's a full extensive kit with all replacement hardware as a part of the unit. So we're very excited to see how this vehicle behaves and does in the future, because we've got a whole bunch of other add-ons lined up for it. There's a very special set of wheels coming in for this vehicle. So I think this is the wisest choice when it comes to a Hilux. This is what I support as well. The cheapest variant, the base standard, it's been remapped. The speed lock has been taken care of, and a bunch of other surprises in the remap are there as well. And we have a nice saving on the cost, and all the savings can be invested to make it an indestructible truck. Thank you.